Hello MTV, welcome to my crib. As you can see, we got the hinged door with the hinged window. And if you just look inside really quickly, we've got over 14,000 square foot full of all the commodities you could ever want.
Wow.
If we go around to the side, you can see that we've got spacious windows.
A luxury window.
Luxury window with the bag.
Wow.
Also, the spray for the bugs.
Ooh.
And we come around here. This is what I call the box. I don't know what it is. But anyway, that's my tour.
Is the air conditioning? Do you have anything to say to the people?
Make sure to like, favorite, and subscribe. Leave a comment. No, I really appreciate the support on the channel, guys. If we can make it to 10 likes, I will do a face reveal. Bye.